Hi friends, this is Radha. I'm once again with you with certain questions. As you know, my channel name is 5W in life. So the W stands very important in our life. So first of all, I'm going to help human resource who was going to assess so many candidates in routine life day to day, and there are so many candidates who appear for an interview. So the question comes: what to ask and how to answer. So, what to ask is really important, and how to answer those questions is equally important. So, today I'm going to share certain questions from HR side who take interview on a frequent basis. So, I'm going to put over here in this video our personality interview questions. So, personality related interview questions which are used to identify, test, and their right personality characteristics in the candidates. Asking the right questions, personality helps you to ensure that the chosen candidate will be the best fit for the company or for the job you have advertised for, and the person is fit for the company culture. So, what do the personality interview question test? Asking is now to ask about those questions which are related to personality of an candidate. So, these are used to identify, test, and measure the characteristics in your candidate. Even though knowledge skills are equally important in a candidate or an employee while screening for the interview, but yet we give weightage to the personality because the candidate do need to fit a right fit for the organization culture. So we need to scroll like what the person has mentioned into the profile or into the CV. So, according to that, and according to our company business, market, and the management, we have certain personality traits for that job. So, we do need to find out as per the role of that candidate. So, here I'm going to discuss on certain points which are essential for putting up the questions related to the personality of an candidate. So, the first question I'm going to ask about: what was the best idea that you can come up with your career? How did you apply it? And the second is: are you the type of the person who always look at the big picture? Now, the big picture stands for the future goals, right? What are the ambitions in life? If the person is really result oriented or the goal oriented person or not. Describe a time when you came up with a creative solution to a challenging position or a work related situation. I mean, once you have to face that challenge, how creatively you have deal with that situation. So now let the candidate explain this question with the answer by using the logic concepts into it. What was the most useful criticism? I know about the criticism people don't like the candidate, they always avoid criticism. But why don't we take it as a feedback, as a positive way to handle the situation for improvement? So, this kind of a question is more important. What was the most useful criticism you have received? Or how do you handle the work stress? Right, or how do you handle the pressure of work at workplace? So these are the multiple type of questions in either of the way we ask from the candidate at the time of interview. Or how do you describe yourself as a best candidate? What do you dislike doing? I mean, now let us find out the person's choices in life. How do you feel when someone interrupts, and when they will come into the middle of your important task? How do you react? How do you say that no to that person? I mean, now we are going to see that qualities. How do you handle the person when you need to say no? So these are going to be more important questions into the personality related Tell me about a time when you relied on your creativity to solve a problem. Now, this type of question will ask to understand the adaptability, creativity of the candidate, like how they took this situation, right, and how to determine the adaptability in the job. How do you demonstrate the adaptability in job? Adaptability is always a critical quality that employee seeks in the nowadays, and because there are a lot of rapid changes in technology, in working style, and we do need to learn a lot every day. I mean, there is no end of learning. So how that candidate or an employee faces these kind of challenges, issues, and cope up with the co-workers and their supervisors and learn new things. So this is again an important question. So alternative situations. Now adaptable people are always try to find out the different suggestions, different opinions. They really would like to work in a good teamwork. So they have this kind of qualities, so we can easily judge about, we can recommend them for the job. Accept the surprises. Now we need to understand, if you are getting surprises in the life, how do you welcome that? Or do you get stressed? Do you get shocked? Or do you really feel irritated and you don't accept it? That will understand the personality of a person, that unexpected work, unexpected timings, unexpected urgency, unexpected help by anyone. How do you handle that? Accept new roles. Obviously, all of us, we ask about, we at the time of interview, we love challenges, we love new roles, we love exploring our strengths and all. But once it comes practically, the scene is totally different. The pictures other side says that, oh my god, again new work or new things coming up. So that really try to make out that how open up, how cooperative you are, how you handle the different situation in loyalty, flexibility, and expanding the responsibility overall into your job. So that's going to help you to understand the quality of that employee. Show calmness and confidence. Both have a nice combination. I love to have that. I mean, yes, during the interview, we are not going to lose the temper while working. Also, yes, everyone has a different perception for the adaptability. But at initial stage, yes, we get irritated and all. But few people, when the challenges come, when the new things come, when the new quick decisions are need to be taken, so people remain calm, they are very confident. So how to judge those people, how to judge those candidates? They are good for they are like the good leaders who can lead themselves, as well as they can make other people to follow them when they are calm in their mind in a difficult situation, in a challenging situation. So we need to put this kind of a question to judge their personality. How do you feel when someone interrupts when you are in the middle of a task? And that task is a very important task. I mean, obviously, we get the irritating. When you are facing the emergency, we have meeting the deadlines, we are hurry up into the meetings and all, or we are into the multitasking, right? So we do need to cope up with all those situations. So when the someone comes between, you should always be confident and strong enough, firm enough, in fact, to say no. I mean, you are getting distracted, you need a time commitment. So, you need to tell them very frankly. So, you should be able to do that without any failure. But you should not be harsh in that. You should be firm in that. You should tell them that this is your time work and you are not free right now, and we can speak on that later on. Or you can communicate me after the office hours or after the meeting hours. So that can be appreciable. Well, tell me about your two biggest success. one personal and one professional. Here, what HR wants to know from your life, from your personal life as well as from your professional life, is the motivation behind your success. How motivated you are, how you take the things to cover up into the speed. I mean, the primary purpose of your work is how to go along with what drives you to the motivation and what makes you to learn. So these are the things which the person wanted to understand from this question: your results, competition, your achievements, your ambitions, your stability, your security, your peace of mind. So many things from these questions can be highlighted in the answer by the candidate. So an HR is going to now evaluate all these above said your qualities, results, competitions, achievement, ambitions in life, stability, your mind coolness, and your security of job as well as security in your life. Overall, the security, I mean to say. So this is going to be judged by these questions. How to determine motivation in a job interview? Obviously, your goals, your initiative, your questions about failures, right? Because we always avoid talking failures. No, my dear friends, we should speak on the failures. And the person who tries on used to fail also. It's not always a 100% success. Tell me about a time when you disagree with an action or a discussion when taken, and how you have done that. What do you do that time? I mean, now what an HR is looking to identify in you as a candidate, they wanted to find the assertive personality, your positive attitude in your mind, because every situation may not be the same, it can be the different. So in all different situations, how your mind works, how positive you remain, that the HR wants to know. Self confidence, your politeness, your open mindedness, your generating new views can take up to the criticism and your negative feedback and the things which you don't like into your personality. This question highlights those skills. Have you ever been surprised by the quality of work someone presented to you? Tell us about and how you have and what you have learned it. Because we always feel jealousy, ego. This is a common factors in the human beings. But yes, we do need to learn from others also, and if it comes, we must appreciate the effort of the other person, the way the person has highlighted or performed in a way and done a good work. So this way you can highlight those kind of equality in a candidate. Let's pretend you were required to attend a cocktail party about 75 strangers. Now this is again a personality question. Cocktail party and then two between the strangers, how does that make you feel? Or you feel like a strangers, or you feel neglected, you feel introverted, or you felt like an extrovert, you mixed up with the people, you are a social person. So this quality is going to highlight when you are going to discuss about your answer to the HR, how open up you are for your own self introduction and your sociability skills. What sort of things irritates you the most? Now the HR wants to know that what really hurts your emotional stability, emotional maturity, and what makes your nerves, to get on a high speed that makes the burning issues. So here they wanted to understand your maturity of emotions and how cool you are. I mean, the people who are mature enough, they are emotionally mature, they know how to handle the people. And the emotional people always, they go on under certain stress, they become sometimes weak. So we do need to be kind of a personality of emotions when really required to help others, or we are not going to become an emotional fool. Yes, obviously, but we do understand the other people's shoe, and we can put up into that, and we can find out in what circumstances the person has does this act. So the personality traits, the perfect personality we understand from the emotional. Every negative emotions, we have a learning. Even from childhood, we are taught in our family that we are not going to fight on it twice with the brothers sisters, and we are like a family. And that's what we HR wants to know about, how emotionally intelligent you are, how can you control your emotion in a different situation, when you are disagree with someone, when somebody is flattering you, or when somebody is poking you. So somebody is suspicious, or somebody is criticizing you. So there are a lot of emotions in life. So how do you react on those situations? So emotionally immature person become a childish, become jealous, become judgmental, critical, dishonest, negative in nature. So many things are coming up. So we should know how to demonstrate this quality in front of HR, that you are emotionally strong. If your best friend sitting here, what would you say about the personality? Honestly, yes. If my best friend will be sitting here, I would love to highlight the strength of the friend. I don't mind if you hire him or her in place of mine, because I believe that friendship is sharing and caring. If you were animal, which animal and why? Oh, judgment, my God, judgment. HR are so, I mean, putting up on so many questions into the creativity of particular candidate. They want you to understand the business challenge. So this, if I will say that I will be the tigress, so it won't be a, because I'm passionate, I'm into speed, I'm into energy. So I wanted to, if I'll say about the other side of that, I would love to be like a peacock, a very beautiful by heart, and beautiful by nature. So this kind of animal I would love to have, if not the tigress. What was the most satisfying moment in your life? Oh, you know human being never get satisfied. One or the other things come up in the mind, the needs, the desires, the goals, and all these things, but yet the satisfaction level yet to come. But I assure myself that whatever I'll do my best into my satisfaction level. What drives you in the professional life? Ah, again, this is a tactful question about the personality. What drives you in the professional life is to find out who is your potential employee. Obviously, this question motivates a candidate to both in the career and in the personal life. So culturally fit person will be the person who as a whole will answer you that yeah, this is my goal in life, and that my goals drive me towards my life. So that never ending goals, I must say. I'm not believing in short term goal or in long term goals. The goals are goals, and we do need to achieve those goals. So that drives me in my professional life. But if I'll talk about as an HR, they wants to know about you, what drives you in personal life. First of all, my life is full of motivation, full of energy, and I need to be a person who is very planned and organized, because I love to work my uh, day, at least, maybe whether it's a personal life or my professional goals, with the commitment of my time, and according to the proper planning. So I love to that way. What type of hobbies do you enjoy? Oh my God, the enjoy hobby, I just cannot say that I love dancing, I love singing, right? That has to highlight the skills you are highlighting or demonstrating in your hobby, because both the hobby needs time, riyaz. time management, commitment. So that's what I wanted to reflect in my hobbies, right? Can you make out the scenario what made you very stressful? I know the life is full of a lot of problems and maybe the personal or your official problems. So stress is everywhere. I mean, but the HR wants you to evaluate the capability of handling your stress level and to put your feet into the right direction. Because once you are stressful that you may not be able to take a right decision, right? So putting your steps ahead in a right direction is only when you are stress free. So we can take up to different exercises to reduce our stress level, that may be your behavior as well, your you can say awareness towards mental and physical health. Nowadays we have a meditation, yoga and other exercises we can make ourselves free from the stress. If you meet a celebrity, then what would you love to meet and whom and why? Ah, wow. Again, HR is having a one tactful question about a public figure. Well, about my point of view, if I'll say about I wanted to meet a celebrity as interesting viewpoint, I would love to meet a person who has struggled his life and achieved his or her success in life. That may not be very publicly famous, but yes, I prefer to meet that kind of a person because I'm going to learn so much of things from the person's life. Have you ever played on sports team? Oh well, on this question, the HR wanted to understand the nature of your teamwork, how competitive you are. Like competition is going to be the healthy competition because here you are working in a team. Sports is not just only that you are going to achieve independently, right? You are representing a team. Here the HR needs to know, understand the team quality. So dear friends, these were the few questions about the personality which an HR wants to understand from a candidate for an interview who looks fit for the job profile. So I hope you understand that, and if you really want something more than that, you can ping me up, you can call me, you can text me. Thank you very much.